Why does your scanner show the P0422 engine code? What does it mean? P0422 is a diagnostic trouble code for main catalyst efficiency below threshold at Bank 1. It indicates that the Bank 1 main catalytic converter's emissions efficiency has fallen below the minimum allowable limit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter, defective oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, coolant temperature sensor malfunction, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Nissan, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.